Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Youth Empowerment Platform. This is a platform which is geared towards empowering young individuals and inspiring them, and then also motivating them. We all know that in the Gambia here, young people really need to be empowered. They face a lot of challenges, a lot of difficulties indeed. And today, I'm in a different environment with a young, passionate individual who is venturing into an amazing skill, which is welding. And then we all know how welding is in this country. Without wasting time, and then today our interview will basically be in our local language, that is in Mandinka. Without wasting time, I will allow him to introduce himself. Yeah, if I'm going to introduce Talan Dimasi.
Yeah, dalam mingtong la mangalari. Trombang loro. Yeah,
Level.
dahil mga somba loro.
Yeah, Lamin. Monya ijede iba welding, ya welding ke as a career. Doku dol bige mi alon ke nyana sake no, but yo doku el bebla idunta welding kon. Mine motivate, mine sawande ka du welding kon.
Yeah, umupo na aldi bonte kabilin bebayan bela dream mo welin. Okay. So olen dunda pa na da. Will be la dream mo na da come true.
MashaAllah. Say
May ang nga overlay.
yeah, over like you have a passion for it. Absolutely. Wow. Say in internet training, welding training school around 4 year at training in informal way for the school day training around.
No, nga training in a local way.
Okay.
Also.
Okay. Say ito ka mundo kusi fa kam de laja as a welder man.
Okay. Ang kabunda ba nila? This single doors. Roof. Yeah. And others.
Okay. Say ito la fa tamu ñu welding durate ba.
Yeah, ifang walta.
Okay. Say ya mole employee jang wala ya mole tani min ka loko ya apprenti jalla sota tani min ba loko kan.
Sense something na din nung yang almost 16.
Wow.
About 16 apprentice.
Apprentice. Wow. That's interesting. 16 apprentice. Ko din different kalila apprentice.
Muni pa
Anim pareda. Wow. That's amazing. That's amazing. Nalon ne ko welding mo kulta mi ka man shone ya. Eka challenges jama face jere. Eka batada jama face jere. What are some of the challenges mi ka keparandi as far as welding is concerned?
na problema bi mo munti walang materials wala asset. Okay. Aning fanang commentol bi nga dile kom as a youth kika dogo ikada po ya try dogo dogo soro about like workshop but dogo nyinga bukatano nya understand. So nadara kombe makoro soro ler o panado aning materials of fanala fanna so bagaso la panna bayila nim bagaso soro dogo nying katano nya ngala fi bagaso la but ni gulo man sipo mala te bagaso
Yes, bagaso na shota no la. Magala. Sa nim place itel tamu janti ba for nyade nam.
dan dinale pala dan dinale ko ngando ko kedo ko in body naman tendekari.
Okay. Now, are you planning kuru ya background so miyan ka batala welding ya more than 300 400 people employed for less than that ma.
Yeah, ma plan kan ke ning also da to ma be diara ne bagale fora. Yeah, ning also da be diara ne ba fo ma ko rose ke because it da ma ma de senge no lonya e kare.
Wow. Well, we make it somebody no welding konalle. Yeah. And then welding mo kulti miyan ka kumata bakere. And then you got 16 young individual miyan tiba girl training in welding. It la jero ro galba welding training takanya whether they are taking it seriously or another stuff.
Ha ibata kan serious sumig na bodol bidan ko yang alhamdulillah ya ibe duko ke kan ba ke ne fyo modila sa ke no nice.
Okay. Itla story is interesting because most of the funding came here on Kwebiyang. Ne ko eta karamo de bosan kala karamo. Ne ko gar ko eta welding de bosan eta skills karamo de bosan. It's the only aim coming so yang walang kambe yang ita. Yek yung la. Yeah, even message la for opportunity baga be jana miyan ko funding kita tarano ja school usero na jamba.
Yeah, as abidal like but then because si kom na no because ni kita yung ni kita fully dedi ye hammo so do iwul da edu bo start ita da edu bo ligin poyano as a kolia nya onya nyam ita be mun kela poso ko na nila family ki ilo so do ni was as a kolia nya onya nyam bu ko sum be ngar ne ko kambe ndo ko kita nga re na ore but ni atre fo ide fenke kai fam tang e me ko so do at least better la mo ko na miango umula sam.
Wow. Kabe iba wedding start kan. Ya start nin kulo ya kulo sura bang wala ya start le without money. Akira nyaan ne kabe wedding start kan.
Ko lem well start kan ne. Kabila nga dogo ke fonta la fangano almost 1 AM be sirine ma atelier le no walo ko nyimbe koliare ne pour nga bagage on ni miango be welding materials pour miango ba start lo abare kabila ala la fayam ma ko nga machine ding soto mi sifa ani eto kili na start wala
Okay.
ko ala ma ko di ma demando nga kan hanna
Mashallah.
bon ni nga soto ke I need more material.
Okay. Sure, welding ya nyarin na abera life falling kan ne bang for ibal life banun nya banun wala nya fa welding na bila life.
Ako nga feeling come back for I'm feeling come back because buta dami nga start dami alisa is quite difficult different different back le because nga start dami diminta back bare bimbe dami dafa nga nako sometimes ga sile ni lamay murunda back na start dula nga jele sanga fole ya jele left is like that a starting no aka dimin back le but ni munya telephone nyaro kul ning kane na sika aka fenge kan the moment ibita ko imta apas yomba fiole yo ndes njemu kuno yutsole ko le momo ise wuli no embe chokara uke fangola miango sama ibe fangola fala no
Wow. After you train the metro karanale and the metro multimedia ka kumata bakere. Yeah, starting is always difficult. Ka fango kumasa masone. Yeah, but the moment you start step by step as time goes on, at the end of the day, you will achieve at that dreamland.
the right now modern control la sign den na misoga I understand what wado man basta kan opu yamare det nindo everything would be alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Same advice sort of funding kila miya local for welding. What advice do you have for them?
Na advice only so they can molen ko ye munya doro ye munya ikane mira bile kana didive ci ya duve la sama
Yeah, sharp.
ya duve la sama bi bon mire meti ni wala bi iko em ka ku jamale dubeje ak ngela meteo tingal aka tinale ko ibukata I understand but ni la idiso fa ye munya edo ko ge sama ni ano sama eke fonole because dol mu me boda wol no mi me chokara no ni anyi nenga aba foile ko ndonga me chokara nyame supi as far as me de man aprende boran ndebe nyame na aprende me boran som dal ni ka feale nga be ise kudo ke ne ngadi am da ma ba because bi tilo ni ko ka aprende oba lipa wala ka oba nenne apasi ka silale bukana me choni karanga ne ama ka farana so as far as ila sale ke karande ke ko se la tempo pool ina
in Galiata. Feel like temper cool in Galiata. Yeah, because at times in the fanka observe the dindungol gulbijeki in the metro. But eka dindungol jale always they are in focus of kodo. Be na apprend ina bossman fight, be na bossman fight. How were you able to read the null convince that sign time get time to me along Kenya kodo in nim sam watu le mena Kenya metro shot like if 7 in the future kodo dinan.
Ofana this right thing because into fana gambe metenyo o mo ken hakilo ko ndem na boss abang kile sometimes more than 100,000 ga bonin kanadna but ni wa kodo in nat nte buka mira je kom kodo nyine nte ka fole ko nin kodo ngamina nda pamele sama pu sama fana nganu nga kodo
Na close.
yo hammo so de ha ingan iko hatilo ko ndara abanda ite bo abata ni ka kodo bude tontel ika kodo bingela bosa ka muda o ka sabule kan tana hame ita gara tika me choba na hame koreano ko sama panan samuda say abi
MashaAllah. So you final advice sort of funding came vaccine out there, ibe la mo kang ibe jube kang what advice do you have for them finally?
ke ngamin soro puri kan na tara ko men ibige dul bidele mi yang ko mantan me chele mantra puke ka nde binga advice o men do walem ko ye dugale sabari baro because ndon mu me mange Europe talati so do bidele be fama hasul daga ka foko kada yo be kada yo wa kada je mankela ila harjeti je so jandi ibela tamu visla inyanta trela ye dulaji ni miango ibe sama ibe fa ifango na fala at least anata la fanga ibe tamala ise fama na fano ni womme chola je elde wala soro program boy ago yuksole
MashaAllah. Yeah, that's amazing. This is the end of the interview we all heard from this passionate young individual. He's encouraging every young people out there, let them come and then engage in skill activity. Skill is something that every young person need out there. We really need to engage in skills activity in order for us to develop our nation. He believes that you can be in the Gambia here, you can make it in the Gambia here, you can also develop in the Gambia here. There are opportunities in the Gambia here. Let's try and support Lamin Manga. Let's empower him. He made mention of materials that he did not have materials as far as his work is concerned. Let's empower him. Let's support him. Whenever you empower every young individual, you empower thousands of them. Let's support him, let's empower him, and whenever we do that, we'll be able to have a better Gambia that we are all yearning for. This is your platform. Again, follow, subscribe, and comments in this section. This is where we empower young individuals within the country, within the constituency. On that note, I am grateful for your following as far as youth empowerment is concerned. Thank you.